friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the Grinch, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the eyes. We're going to step over from the center, and on the left hand side we're going to draw in a nice big circle. Let's move across. On the right hand side, lining it up at the same height, we're just going to replicate that. On the top left-hand side now in the corner, let's draw in another circle for the highlight. And then coming down on a diagonal, we're going to draw in our second highlight, just slightly smaller. Now let's color in our pupil black. Let's come up, let's draw on the eyebrows. So right above each eye, we're going to curve this line up, around, and then across. We're going to flip over, mirroring that on the left-hand side. Now from here on the top, we're going to, from that point, curve this up, around, and then in. And then again, just doing the same thing on the left. Now from here, we're going to curve this around and down in the corner. In the center, let's draw in a sideways oval for the nose. And then right underneath, we're just going to curve this line down towards the bottom. Let's come across. We're going to draw in a corner bracket for the mouth on a diagonal from each eye. Let's join this line together. So on the left-hand side, we're going to scoop this line down and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right as well, blending that back in together right in the center. Let's come underneath. We're just going to draw in a small detailed line, curving that across. Let's come up and frame in the hat. So right in the center, we're going to draw in an arch line. Stepping beside that, we're going to again curve this line over and out. And then again, one more time, just curving this over and across. Before we frame in the rest of the hat, we're just going to frame in the face underneath. So on each side, we're going to curve this line in and out. Let's close off the cheek here. So starting back on this line, we're going to curve this line out and then back in. Again, coming under from that corner, we're going to curve this line down and then through towards the center. And then let's come underneath for the chin from that corner. We're going to curve this around and through towards the middle. And then we'll just come across on the right, replicating that, blending that in together. Now from here on the side, curving this around and in. Now again, moving up, curving that around and down. Again, let's draw that as we come in towards the middle. And now right in the center, we're just going to close this off with a nice big arch line. Let's draw the rest of the hat up above. So on the right hand side, curving this line over and in towards the top. Let's round this out on the side. So on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then up on a diagonal towards the top of the page. And then we're just going to round out the top. So we're going to start back on this line, curving this around and then down on the left. Let's draw in the pom-pom here. So on the top, we're going to curve this line over. Starting from that corner again, curving this line around and then in. again, arching this down and through. And then we're just going to curve that in towards the side of the hat. Now let's come underneath. We're going to draw in a curved line from left to right on the neck. We're going to leave a little gap here because we're going to draw in the Grinch's hand holding in a present sack. So we're going to leave a gap and we're going to curve this around and in for the hand. We're going to come in for that center finger, curving this around and down. And then again, one more time, we're just going to curve this around and then back in. Let's close off the wrist here. So we're going to arch this around and in. Again, from that point, curving this around and down. And one more time, just curving this around and up. Now let's draw in the present sack. So right above here, we're just going to curve this around and out. And then moving over, we're just going to, from that corner, curve this line across. Right in the middle, we're just going to add a small detail line, curving that through. And now let's close off the arm. So coming underneath, we're just going to arch this around and back in towards that wrist. We're going to draw in the handle portion here. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We'll do the same as we move over on the inside. And then on the bottom, we're going to curve this line across. Now on the top from that corner, we're going to arch this line back over. Now let's come up and we're going to close off around the neck here, the collar. So we're going to curve this back in towards the chin. And then moving underneath, we're just going to arch this around and across. Again, we're just going to curve this around and back up. And then one more time, just curving this around and in towards that chin. Let's close off the torso. So stepping down, we're going to curve this line through towards the bottom. And then we'll come across on the left-hand side, lining that up at the same height. And we're just going to arch that in towards the wrist. Now as we come underneath, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's come down. From each corner, we're just going to curve this around and in towards the center. Again, curving this down and then back up. And then again, one more time, we're just going to close it off with another curved line. Now in the middle, towards the top, we're going to draw in a circle for the button. And then we're going to do the same, leaving a gap as we move down directly underneath. Let's draw on the right arm. So right on the top here, we're going to curve this out, bending that at the elbow, bringing that back in. And now we're going to leave a small gap here. So on the top, we're just going to curve this line down. From that corner, we're going to join this line together, curving this around and then back in towards our torso. Let's bend the arm up above. So we're going to curve this line through towards the top. Now let's move underneath for the hand. We're going to curve this line over and then from that point, bringing that back in. And then we're going to come underneath one more time, connecting that line, just curving this over and through. Let's come down and draw in the leg. So from the center, stepping over, we're going to draw in a straight line on each side, and we're going to end that at roughly the same height. Now from here, coming over, we're going to draw in a slight diagonal line coming through towards the middle, again, ending that at the same height. Now underneath from the center, we're going to curve this line across on both sides, connecting that to each line. Now let's come around. From the inside here, we're going to curve this line around and through towards the middle. Again, on the bottom from that corner, we're going to curve this line around and up. And then again, one more time from that corner, just scooping this back around and in to close off the ankle. Now we've drawn out our legs, we can finish off the present sack behind. So starting back on this line, we're just going to curve this around and through towards the leg on the outside. And now let's draw in the feet. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line down. Moving underneath, we're going to curve this line over towards the side of our page. And we're going to try and draw these at an even size. Now starting from this corner, we're just going to curve this around and then in towards the middle. And then moving in beside that, we're just going to draw in a straight line coming up towards the ankle. And that is it. That's how you draw the Grinch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.